ensure the edges are completely smooth. We can't have any overspray.
Understood. I'll double check the seams around the sensor housing.
Look at that finish. Absolutely stunning. Is that right?
It's unreal. All right, let's get back to these wings.
Check the alignment on this panel. Looks good from here. The finish is perfect. Sign off on the starboard engine. Off brush to blend it now. Hold it steady, just a little bit more to the left.
Okay, I got it. This position is killing my back.
We need to verify these dimensions against the latest revision.
The clearance here seems tight, and let's double check the wiring harness path.
I think this combination is the strongest we've seen.
The color harmony is excellent.
Agreed. Let's mark these for approval.
Watch the edge on the stairs.
Almost there. Push from your side.
We need the seating clamps next.
Okay, lift it slightly on your side. How's the alignment here? Looks good. Secure the front clips now. Okay, bring it down slowly on the left side. Watch the bracket.
Got it. Securing the lock now.
Easy now, lower on my side. Got it. Watch the clearance on the right. Steady, steady. Perfect.
Ensure the gold housings are secure.
We're testing the connections on the aft galley now.
Looks good, let's secure the wiring harness.
Please place your index finger on the scanner for the first pass. And again for the second pass. Enrollment is now complete. Thank you.
Clamps are fully engaged and secure, verifying the alignment.
The harness mechanism checks out. Looks good for service.
Throttle checked, continuous. Autopilot adjusted, speed coming back to 2550. Watch the right wingtip, clearance is tight. Confirmed, tug is proceeding slowly. We are clear of the hangar door. Clear to proceed, keep it slow and steady. All green on this side.
hardness reading is 92 at point C4.
Confirmed. Logging the result now.
Minor imperfection noted on the leading edge of the wing section 3.
Documented. The coating seems flawless otherwise.
Flap set for takeoff.
Set.
Takeoff configuration checks complete. Takeoff thrust set.
80 knots.
Checked.
Swiss, good morning, maintaining runway heading, passing 15,000 for flight level 200.
Thrust check, airspeed increasing.
The projections seem solid, assuming the merger clears regulatory hurdles.
Indeed, we are anticipating approval by the end of the month.
The seared scallops with the citrus reduction, sir.
Thank you. Which vintage pairs best with this?
The 2018 Chardonnay, it has a lovely finish.
Flight plan review complete, looking good.
Agreed. Weather radar is clear. We have a message from ATC.
Pan-seared Wagyu beef with truffle juice, madam.
It looks exquisite. Thank you so much.
That's exactly why the merger was successful. It opened up the European market completely.
To the European market and to great success. Cheers, everyone.
And now for the golden chocolate sphere, we pour the warm sauce tableside.
Oh, how absolutely stunning. are ready. Perfect. I'll start the juice and coffee run.
Flaps 20, please.
Flaps 20, green light, 2,500 feet.
Clipper 123, cleared ILS 28, right approach.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing. Please ensure all seatbelts are securely fastened and tray tables are stowed.
Is your seatbelt secure, ma'am?
Thank you.
300, 200, 150, 30, 20, retard, 10.